You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Welcome back to another video, and into this video, put the fuel pump in. Hopefully, the finance right in the car. Hook some wires up. Turn that key and see what happens. Keep y'all fingers crossed if we get that far. All right. Man, how you work this thing, man?
Oh, so you're not signed off on it.
Damn. Hey, man, you gonna give me a class on this shit?
Adam, we need some paperwork. You need to get certified on a gas can.
Bro, I know they got a dump with it, bro, but come on now.
It ain't working, bro. What the hell?
Okay, hold on. Watch. You can't ask me because I'm used to the metal one.
Yeah.
Hey,
Ah!
Pokemon!
Damn.
Hey, give me a cigarette real quick.
Solving all the 240 problems right now.
So, as you can see, this was a pain in the behind to get done. Just gotta plug it up. I'm gonna go disconnect the fuel feed line before we hook the battery up to it and see what happens. Alright, here's the test. Hold on. You got power in there? Yeah. You got lights? I hear shit clicking up here. Bump it and see. Watch it up. Do it again. Alright, we ain't got no fuel. Alright, Jeremy, I got it. Whoa! Hold on, we need another bottle. Alright, go ahead. And stop. Alright, we got fuel. Go ahead again. Alright, we're graving.
Bad gas, better gas?
Yep. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, just turn the key, let it feed some gas real quick. Well, the line should be good anyway. Alright, we got pressure. Bump it. Start. Come on. Yeah.
Camry started.
Whoa! Do it again. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, I heard that, right?
It clicked for a second.
Golly. It's on you, man.
Oh, what this one?
Yeah, check that line over there.
This one?
Yeah. Is it coming from that?
No, it's straight under the car. Place.
Coming off the frame. Oh, yep, it's a turbo line. What the fuck was that?
That sounded like intake.
I saw it. Oh, so it's another fucking turbo line.
One day I blow up from the basement statement. The top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I play. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I do. Alright, no dice. The plugs were foul as shit. We got fuel coming up though, so that goal was attained. And am I even in the frame? Yeah. Okay. Will you stop shadowing me?
I'm just trying to learn how to record like you. I'm trying to be big leagues. Trying to be like Mr. Albuquerque.
Sometimes I want to turn around, you know. But yeah, no spark. So we gotta figure it out tomorrow.
And we're starting a new series called Staging Doodle.
Appreciate y'all watching as always. Thank y'all so much. Stay patient. We gonna get it started. But y'all see that part where it almost kicked. Y'all saw that. I got half a moment. Catch y'all next one.
Tell me what y'all gonna do.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.